Back to you, Colin, to demonstrate how simple and effective this can be.
Thanks, Tim. Let me kick things off by providing you with a brief overview of encryption basics. I'm using a product called eBusiness Server to encrypt the data on the mainframe, and this product is based on the open PGP standard and allows you to exchange data with any other PGP product that adheres to the RFC standard. It is based on a widely accepted and highly trusted public key encryption system in which two complementary keys called a key pair are used to maintain secure communications. One of the keys is designated as a private key to which only you have access, and the other is a public key which you freely exchange with other users. Both your private and your public keys are stored in keyring files. As its name implies, only you have access to your private key, but in order to correspond with other users, you need a copy of their public key and they need a copy of yours. You use your private key to sign the files and attachments you send to others and to decrypt the messages and files that they send to you. Conversely, you use the public keys of others to send them encrypted data and also to verify their digital signatures. Okay, so that's a brief overview of the basics of encryption. Let me show you how you can use eBusiness Server to encrypt data on the mainframe. Remember, eBusiness Server is multi-platform, and as Tim mentioned, you can use it to secure any type of data, not only data that you'll be sending to your business partners, but any data that is at rest. So here is a sample batch job that is encrypting a very small file. Tim mentioned this also in his part of the presentation, where you would probably need to include this step into your batch job prior to you sending out the data or the ciphertext to your business partner. In this sample, I'm encrypting the contents of the data in this file over here, and that is going to be the ciphertext. So that'll be the file that I send to my remote business partner. There are many different ciphers available and supported on eBusiness Server, but this is just a brief example of what I'm planning to do here. So let me show you what the input file looks like. And you'll see it's just a very small file, just showing that this is what I'm planning to encrypt and the data that I'll be sending to my business partner. After running the job, so I'll submit that job quickly, and we'll then go and examine the output, which is going to be contained in this file over here. So let me grab this file and we can go and have a look at the contents of what the ciphertext looks like. So there you go. This is ciphertext. This is not anything that somebody can eavesdrop on or make sense of, and this is typically the information that you would send across to your business partner. So very simple example of how you can actually use PGP or eBusiness Server to encrypt data. And as Tim mentioned, there's various different options available to you. But if this is one way that you want to secure data and you want to send it to your business partner, you could certainly consider using regular FTP or even SFTP, depending on what your requirement is.